Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm excited to bring this juice to you. It's an oldie but goodie, but still one of my favorite juices. You know, the seasons are changing and we need to get that vitamin C boost, so this is one of my vitamin C juices. It is orange, pineapple, and ginger. Once again, guys, it's orange, pineapple, and ginger. And if you checked out any of my last videos, guys, like I said in the old videos, and I'm going to say it again in 2024, everything is to your taste. So do I give out measurements? No, I do not give out measurements. Everything is to my taste, like it should be to your taste. If you love ginger, put a lot of ginger. If you don't like a lot of ginger, don't put a lot of ginger. If you like more oranges, put more oranges. If you don't like oranges, put more pineapple. So it's to your taste. All right, guys, before I go any further, please do me a huge favor, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and even the bell notification so you can know every time that a video drops. All right, let's get into the juice. Once again, we got some ginger, we have some oranges, and we have pineapple. And what I love about juicer, guys, is that I don't have to worry about chopping it down really fine. I can drop everything into just like that. I'm gonna load it up right now so you guys can see what that looks like. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Juicing with Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. All right, guys, there you have it. Pineapple, orange, and ginger. Just the way I like it. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Here's to you, Urban.